Hello guys, this is just a short video how to put tweeters inside a Mitsubishi Cross 2018 to 2020. My Mitsubishi doesn't have 6 speakers, so it's missing tweeters. So I bought these off a wrecking one. What we do here is we're going to pry open this grill. I would recommend using a pry tool, but I just used scissors as I was in a rush. Just pop this right open. Once you get it popped open, I was having a little bit of trouble there, so I had to take the camera off. But once you pop it open, there you go. Take off the little mesh that they have here. From there, you're gonna see the wire. It's already pre-wired there. If you have an ES model, that's a base model. So I guess it just doesn't come with it, but Mitsubishi already has it ready. Alright, so this is the adapter piece that's going to go into the speaker. We take that piece and we're going to turn it around and see it has the same exact piece right there. So we're just going to connect that right into the speaker, and it should just make a nice little click when you put it in there. And so now after that, you're going to just place the speaker right back inside the frame, and it should fit perfectly if you got one that was in a wrecking vehicle. And just throw some just basic screws in there. That's what I did. But by the window seal, there's gonna be it's gonna be kind of difficult to get that screw in, so I just kind of took it off my screwdriver. You're gonna need a little screwdriver to put that in there. Then just put the grill right back, and that's all it takes, guys.